to a very special video about fairies. Fairies are one of my big interests, and I am going to show you and describe how to own your own fairy home, village, town, city, whatever you want to call it, because fairies deserve a very special place in your home. As you can see, my entire room is practically fairy themed. A good start is to bring the fairy vibe, bring the magic vibe to your room, or wherever you live, kitchen, backyard. Vines are a great way to make your fairy feel more at home. You can put them all over your wall or your ceiling, whatever you prefer. Fairy art. This is my special Harajuku fairy art that I did a while back. As you can see, she's got the bright colors. So let's make fairies feel very homey in their new place. First things first, get your fairy or fairies. This is Lily. She's a very special fairy, and she absolutely loves living in my bedroom, or as you can say, my magical forest home for her. Get a beautiful house. If you have more than one fairy, that's okay. You can keep one house, or you can get several. I am currently collecting houses for my fairies, and this is my favorite house. Anyone home? Hello. Some houses you can actually have a door for, and these are the introverted fairies that like to stay inside. Make sure to keep magic in your room, because magic is the key to fairies' happiness and, of course, youth. This is my youth potion. It keeps me young, and it keeps the fairies active. Give the fairies lots of furry friends. Well guys, that was my very special video on how to make your fairies feel home. If you have any comments or concerns, please let me know, and I'll see you next time.